All right, how many videos is this today? 3 now? I did one of 5. I did one with you guys, and now this one. All right, well, the Tiki Caravan is getting ready to leave. There's the Tiki Bar, 8x8 Tiki Bar going to Wellsville, New York. And yes, if you don't recognize the vehicle, I bought 2 vehicles a week ago. The 16-foot box van, which has all the palms, the lumber, tools, appliances. That's got everything. I bought that truck last week and the trailer last week. So the trailer can now hold any size bar that I build. And this is a beast. This is a 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4-wheel drive diesel monster. It's got a 3-inch lift on it, 35-inch tires. Yeah, I need to build some more bars, people. Come on. Anyway, Tiki Caravan heading to Wellsville, New York. So, from the Tiki Kev shop and what's left of the crew, Keith, Scott, and Bob. Melissa's gone. Today's her day off. So, Tiki Kev out.